What's up, guys? Artil Boy here. Today we're doing another video. Today we're taking a look at the Swiss Army Knife SD clone. So let's begin. So you could probably know what it is a clone of. The normal, basically, Swiss Army Knife SD, or the classic SD, which is funny about this one, which is, funny story about that one, how I got that. Revert that last video. So, let's get here. So, let's see here. So, the entire blades, the parts for the compartment for these pieces are basically made out of stainless steel. You got a plastic pick, and a tweezers. Yep, we got tweezers about it. We got scissors. We got the scissors, the file sharpener, or no, not sharpener, but just a file. I don't know about this, but I think that is also for the file. And then we got the blade itself, which that's basically made of stainless steel. We got a key ring here that you could put string, lanyard, car keys, that kind of deal. Got stainless steel in the brackets. The handle scales is basically made of plastic. So the size itself. So the size of the tweezers is around about 1/3. For the pick, the plastic pick, is around about 1 3/4. And I can see it right here. The handle and overall size, while it's closed, would be around about 2/4. The scissors. Scissors. Yeah, that's a little hard to open. Would be around about of 1.5 for the oval size with the scissors deployed. It'd be around about of 3/4. Yep. For the file would be around about of 1.5 inch. For the overall size with the file deployed would be around about of 3/4. For the blade itself would be around about 1.5. Meanwhile, for the overall size would be 1 or 3/4. So you can see the comparison between these two. Now the difference is this one is like dark red, meanwhile this one is like bright red. So let's test this bad boy out. So the results out there is, this one's decent. I mean, that's for the stab. But here's the strikes themselves. That's 1 and 2. Like, that's pretty big strikes of all things. You could probably know. So it's a not bad piece. So my final verdict rating on the Swiss Army Knife clone, or Swiss Army Knife SD clone, an astounding of a 6 out of 10. It's a decent clone of all things. But when you have the perfect amount of money to buy the real thing, I would recommend buying that. That kind of deal. Which you could probably know for that. Which, yeah, that's kind of it. So that wraps up of the Swiss Army Knife clone. I'm Artil Boy, and I'm signing out. I'll see you guys next time.